Hi guys. Welcome to another new episode. Today I will show you in the video how to use a discarded wall paint roller brush and a grass cutter as a long handle. We often clean the branches of the jungle or tall trees. But if we have a good cutter, we can do it from a distance from poisonous insects. We can also clean the branches that are very high. This is a wall paint roller brush. It took everything apart completely. The iron rod that accompanies it can also be used in today's projects. But I took an iron rod to increase the distance further. I took a long bolt at one end of the rod. Check that the bolt is stuck to the plastic handle of the wall paint roller brush with the patch. I observed the condition of the grass cutter at the other end of the iron rod. Now I welded each part to the rod. After welding, I stuck the handle of the wall paint roller brush with a patch. Now my today's project is ready to work. Let's see how my long hand grass or tree leaves cutter works. Wow! The long hand grass or tree leaves cutter has worked well. How the video is and how to make it better, you can write your opinion in the comments section. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and presses the bell button to get the next video.